I'm back. I'm either your worst nightmare or your best dream because I'm here to help you learn Spanish. And today, you already know what time it is. It's the Spanish numbers 1 through 20 quiz. Last time it was Spanish numbers 1 through 10. But today, we up in the ante and doing Spanish numbers 1 through 20. And you know what? I even brought my boy Yoda down here from Star Wars from another planet because he wants to deliver a message for you too. He say, do or do not. There is no try. Ain't no trying in Spanish. If you're gonna do it or you're not. This is a multiple choice quiz and you're gonna have about 3 seconds to get each one right. So are you ready? Okay, let's get down to it. Number 1 is uno. Number 2 is dos. Number 3 is tres. Number 4 cuatro. Number 5 cinco. Number 6 seis. Number 7 siete. Number 8 ocho. And number 9 nueve. And number 10 diez. 11. Once. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. Number 16. What? Dieciséis. Number 17. What? Diecisiete. Number 18. What? Dieciocho. Number 19. What? Diecinueve. And number 20. Veinte. Veinte. Bang, 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 bang. Veinte. So, how did you do on the Spanish numbers 1 through 20 quiz? Now be honest. Don't lie. Especially don't lie to yourself. then by all means, don't lie to Yoda. You can't lie to Yoda. He knows all things. So if you did good, stick your right hand out, place it over your left shoulder, and pat yourself on the back. Did a great job, great job. And if you didn't do that good, didn't do as good as you thought, that's okay. Pat yourself on the back too, because you too did a great job. And whatever the outcome was, just go on and subscribe to the channel because I'm here and Yoda is here, at least for the day, to help you learn Spanish. Hey, and share this video with someone else who could use it. And always remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.